How's it going, guys? It's been a couple of weeks since I made a video last, so I figured I would try to get out before this thunderstorm actually hits, which is, I think, in like an hour, maybe a little less, for its ETA. So we are going to see if we can go for a quick ride and beat it. I haven't ridden this thing in a while. I had a completely flat tire, and part of the tire itself is shredding. So we'll see how it goes. I don't expect the tire to blow out, but you never know. Figured I'd come check it out up here since they did construction and all that. I already see lightning. Good thing is not too many people will be out, at least on foot. You know, it feels great out. Very windy. Yeah, I think my rear tire's already going flat. This might be a short video. Because supposedly I can't go through here anymore. Yeah, you used to be able to go through here. Not anymore. So yeah, there's a guy watching the thunderstorms roll in. Well, oh, my front tire's even low. That's nice. Okay, well, let's see where we can go. Maybe this way. I need to get an actual e-bike. I don't want to pay for one. My $100 e-bike's done pretty well. $1,000 watts, 48 volts is what's rated. I'm running at 56 volts. I'm able to carry 10 amp hours right now. If I got bigger batteries, I could carry 24 amp hours. That's cool. Let's cut up here so we can get a better view. Not really. Not really. That was the better view, I think. Maybe here. That's cool. We'll take a picture and see. Okay, now we're off to. Now we're off to. Is that even English? Now we're off to. I don't know. Now that I think about it, I don't know if it is English or not. Holy cow. Scared the crap out of me. I brought a air pump, but that's it. So if anything else goes south, I'm walking. This goes through. Might go to just stairs though. Yeah, it does. Just stairs. Do we trust the sketchy e-bike down the hill? Not really. Are we doing it? I guess so. Oh gosh, that was interesting. I didn't know how far this alley went. I'm gonna end up exploring all these alleys. Oh, that's an inconvenience. I feel like that was intentional. I bet people block the alleys just to keep people from driving down there. Which I don't know why. Problem is it's I think they're legal roads. You can't actually block them on purpose. I wouldn't think. If you know, leave a comment down below if that's the case or not. We're heading to the hospital. I'm gonna pull over here at the park and see. My brake just sounded like a freaking woodpecker. I don't think that's a good thing. Okay. Where are we at? Which way do we need to go? I know it's the opposite way of home. Yeah, this dead ends. The hospital is literally right here, but home is way back over here. So I honestly think we need to backtrack. So I can take this, and this should lead to that road there. If we get to Reese Street, then we just take that straight to whatever it is, Glen Hendron. All right, let's try it. I don't got much time. Sweet, that's even better. But this floods. Northwick Park. Oh, I can cut through the grass. Should we? Should we? Should we? Should we? I think we should. I don't know if we should, but I guess we are. This is a bad idea. Ooh, there's lightning. Oh my gosh, I can't feel my arms. My arms are burning. Okay, this was not a great idea. Oh, my arms burn so bad. Okay, what are we doing? Whatever I'm doing, I better hurry up. My goal is that parking garage right there. I don't know if that's happening. There's Probably just go back to the road. Okay. I don't got time to sit here and think about it. Oh, there's lightning in both directions. Bad idea. Okay. Holy cow. I'm surprised I still have everything on my backpack. And what road is this? Reese. Okay. Let's just haul butt this direction. We need to swap our batteries too. We're just about out. I don't know my plan to get back either. Uh-oh, felt the water droplet. This ain't gonna be good. I might have to hide out in the parking garage. My goal is the top of the parking garage. If I can do that, I'll be happy. But I also need to get back home. I'd like to do it dry, but you know, what happens, happens, I guess. Okay, since we are going on the shoulder here, got my arms burned so bad. We're turning our guardian angel on the rear and riding up the shoulder. I don't even know why that's my goal, but it's my goal. Yeah, this battery's cooked. I don't know how far we went. I wasn't even tracking it. Now it's gonna be the scramble getting back home. But we did it. Thank goodness. Dark clouds and all. Okay. We can't waste time. Too much time. Glad we made it though. That's pretty cool. Swap the battery on my GoPro, swap the battery on the bike, and then we'll head out. Alright, 2 new batteries. This is my setup right now with the guardian angel and then my light on the front. I'm gonna take a picture up here real quick and then we'll head out. It's kind of cool area. Okay, yeah, lightning up here ain't the best idea. So let's get skedoodling out of here. Also don't know, I bet security's watching me on this camera over here. Wonder what the heck I'm doing and who I am. And I just felt another sprinkle. So we're gonna skedoodle. Northwick. Come on, battery. I'm a couple miles from home and it's like huge drops. Why did I do this? Oh shoot. Please don't pull out in front of someone because of me. Alright, we're going to the road. Alright, drove right back into a rain cloud apparently. Because it's like I hit a wall. lot of lightning. Hey, I'm out of the rain cloud for now. All right, we're on the home stretch. Now just don't eat it and we'll be good. A lot of lightning though, man. As long as they're over there and not striking me, I'm good. All right, it must have poured over here, man. This grass is soaked. Grass, wow. Pavement is soaked. Like I'm rooster tailing all over me. So I don't have a front fender. Ah, I'm going so fast, the rooster tail hit me in the face. Ah! Close your mouth. It doesn't taste very good. You guys probably getting the rooster tail too. All right, and we're home. I can shut the mic off. Yeah, it must have poured up here. That's probably what she called. It didn't pour on me. Not very long. Enough where I'm damp, but I'm not soaked. Got some dirt in my mouth. Road debris. Okay, I made it. Safe and sound. Still blue sky over there, I can see it. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.